A wish list is not just a place to save products. In a WooCommerce store, it shows what your customers are interested in buying later. But if those saved items are hidden or hard to access, shoppers may forget about them. That's where the WishSuite Counter from ShopLentor comes in. It lets you display a clean wishlist icon with a real-time item count, so customers can instantly see how many products they've saved and return to them faster. You can even add custom text like My Wishlist or Saved Items. The best part? It works with both Elementor and Gutenberg. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click ShopLentor, then go to Settings. Before enabling the WishSuite Counter, make sure the Wishlist module is enabled from the Module tab. Then, from Elementor Widgets or Gutenberg, find WishSuite Counter. Enable it and save your changes. Once it's enabled, you can add it to your page. Go to your page or template. Click Edit with Gutenberg or Elementor. Search for WL, WishSuite Counter, then drag and drop it into your layout. Using Gutenberg, just add the WL, WishSuite Counter block and customize it from the sidebar. You can control the text, alignment, counter color, background, spacing, border radius, icon color, and typography ease, so it matches your store design perfectly. Place it in your header for quick wishlist access. Add it near the product section to encourage saving, or use it as a sticky wishlist indicator to bring shoppers back to their favorite products. It's lightweight, responsive, and simple to set up. A small counter, but a big improvement for user experience. Make wishlist access visible, interactive, and easy with WishSuite Counter from ShopLentor. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.